Okay, so this arrived today, and I'm just having a wee look around it. I put it together there from the couple of boxes it landed on. It is a Sonor AQX. It's a jazz drum kit. Don't play jazz, but if anybody out there is looking for a wee drum kit, compact kit to play on smaller stages, this is exactly the drum kit. So I have all Sonor high-end stuff. SQ2 Pro Lights drum kits. My son was looking for something for bar gigs, and this is just stunning. So this is an 18-inch bass drum, 18 by 14 kick, controlled thump off this thing. So the rack is a 12 by 8, the floor tom is a 14 by 13, and the snare back here is a 13 by 6. This whole kit is high quality finish. So it comes with tune lockers, so the lugs don't go out of tune when you're thumping at this thing. Usually a low end kit, the difference between a low end kit and a high end kit is that when you thump them for a couple of hours, they stay in tune, the high end. This thing's got the built-in tuners that lock. Unbelievable. It's got the Sonor finish, locks, memory locks on all the parts of the hardware as well. Exact same thing I have on my high-end kits as well. It is a stunning little drum kit, and tomorrow I'm going to take it to the lockup and tune it up, because it's coming with factory heads here. And I want to get her tuned up. I'm going to put a mic on that floor tom and see what she comes with. This is a snare, not tuned yet. So this is priced, sorry, that hi-hat's there for to give you a dimension, some kind of scale. So as I said, it's a wee 18-inch floor tom, stunning, fit any stage. This drum kit is just so well put together. It's going to be difficult when you make this to tell the difference between this range and the high end that I use. So can't wait till tomorrow to make it up and get a go at it. Currently this is retailing on Amazon for $5.99. And that is stunning money for this drum kit, for the quality of build and for the finish on it. The last thing I bought from Sonor was a snare, £700. So this whole kit was $5.99. Ideal for compact gigs if you're doing small stages and the likes. So I'll put another video up tomorrow when I get it mic'd up in the lockup. Let's see what this really sounds like.